Yeah.
But, you know, if Efren leaves it, funny, Bo could have a pretty easy kick.
He made it.
Nice.
His cue today.
He's hanging in there with him. He's going blow for blow.
Yeah, he really is. I mean, that's pretty impressive. He's gonna have to masse. She goes, and is the 2 going in? What a shot! Wow! And that's why they call him the magician, ladies and gentlemen.
Paano nangyari yun, yung ganong tira? So siya lang nakagawa talaga nung kaya tinawag siyang the magician.
He only played in one.
Magandang hapon mga kaibigan, mga kabilyard. Welcome to Efren Reyes reaction and commentary videos. For today's reaction video, ito another exciting heel-to-heel match between a Efren Reyes the Magician versus sa isang napakagaling na pool master, no, na si Bo Running Jen. Isang US citizen yan at ang kanyang galing ay sa mga money game. Ito nga an invitational match kay Efren Reyes, 9-ball race to 5 match. At ang mananalo dito ay pwedeng mag-uwi ng $25,000 US dollars. At dito nga makikita natin si Efren Reyes ang nasa table dahil nga nakaposisyon na ng isang puntos itong si Running Jen, no? At dito makikita natin nag-play safe itong si Reyes pero hindi umubra at na-open itong table kay Bo Running Jen. So tingnan natin kung makapuntos ulit dito itong kalaban niyang Amerikano, mga kabilyard, no? Medyo talagang malakas yung loob nito dahil nga in-invite niya pa si Efren Reyes para sa isang money game, no? $25,000 US dollars yung kanilang pwedeng mapanalunan. Nasa table ngayon si Bo Running Jen. Tingnan natin kung maka-run out siya dito sa rack number 2. Sundan natin mga kabilyard.
He just played more aggressive.
Well, we'll see how he holds up against Efren, who just lost to Rodrigo Geronimo, who's pretty much considered one of the other favorites in this tournament.
Yeah, see, once you get if you're battling Efren for like the first or second time, you got to get past the jitters. See, the jitters are a big thing. I mean, who wouldn't for the first time?
That's right. That's right. Well, looks like a safety battle in the first game. Very nice cue.
Dito nga talagang napakahusay nitong si Bo Running Jen, no? Makikita natin kung paano niya itinago yung cue ball na yan sa likuran nitong mga cluster balls na ito. So kailangan mag 2-rail kick shot si Reyes or 3-rail kick shot para patamaan niya itong ball number 2. Makikita natin dito yung husay nitong si Bo Running Jen, no? Talagang ito nag 3-rail kick shot. Mahina yung tira ni Reyes doon. Kung hindi, papasok talaga yung ball number 2 na yun, mga kabilyard. Pero dahil dyan, na-open pa rin itong table kay Bo Running Jen. Tingnan natin kung makaposisyon siya dito sa rack number 2. Panoorin natin, mga kabilyard.
Shoot the 4 after the 2. I think, see where he just put his cue? That's where he wants his cue ball to end up after this shot. So, he would basically strike this ball, feather it, and a little outside spin, just a little, and the speed, you gotta hit this very soft. Okay, he's gonna use 2 rails.
That's perfect.
That's inch perfect right there. Inch perfect, Ray.
That's perfect. Couldn't get any better than that.
No, that's exactly where he put his cue.
With the exact angle. Oh, I'd like to quickly give a shout out to my friend Ethan, who's watching the live stream.
At dyan nga makikita natin kung paano kumilos at gumawa ng ball positioning itong si Bo Running Jen, no? Makikita natin yung kanyang eksperto dito sa billiard nito. Bagamat hindi ito makikita sa mga international tournament, at ang kanyang eksperto ay sa mga money game. Makikita natin dito yung kanyang galing at husay sa pagkuha ng ball positioning para makarun out siya dito sa rack number 2. So mukhang mapapalaban talaga dito itong si The Magician. Kaya tingnan natin mga kabilyard kung mananalo dito si Reyes. Mukhang maganda itong labanan na ito. Panoorin natin hanggang dulo.
Yeah, you gotta play strong. Gotta come with it.
What a nice break. What a great breakout.
That's the best way to start.
At dito nga, last ball si Bo running dyan sa rack number 2. Mukhang ito, abante na naman ng isang puntos, no? So, 2-0 na ang score natin dyan dahil nga winner's break format ito. Si Bo running dyan pa rin ang magbe-break dito sa rack number 3. Rise to 5 lang ito mga kabilyard, no? Makikita natin dito yung husay nitong kalaban ni Efren Reyes. At doon nga sa unang laban nung kalaban ni Reyes ay natalo siya, no? So, nanalo yung kalaban niya ng $15,000 at dito naman $25,000 ang pinaglalabanan nila mga kabilyard. So tingnan natin, maganda yung pagkaka-break dyan ni Bo at meron siyang available shot dito sa ball number 1. Kaya sundan natin mga kabilyard.
Here to save him.
He can make this one, and the safety is pretty automatic as well. Let's see what he does. He'll probably play a safety. No, he's going in.
Wow, that was a nice shot.
I'll take a look at the angle
That was a hell
now.
of a shot,
It was a
Daniel.
great shot. He broke it out and basically
And
made the
that's
two
how
as well.
That's how he was playing against me. I mean, you know, he was coming with it. I like your new equipment, Daniel. It's you're getting more high tech and high tech by
Thanks.
every time I see it. It gets higher and higher. It's so cool. If I ever need camera setup and stuff, I'm gonna call you. So
Thank you. Thank you.
help me.
Oh, that was a little awkward.
At dito nga mukhang mahirap talaga yung tira na yun, long shot at medyo makapal kaya hindi pumasok yan, bumanda at nakakuha ng magandang ball position itong si Efren Reyes dito sa ball number 3. So tingnan natin kung makakuha siya ng position sa 4. Kaya sundan natin yan mga kabilyard.
Very nice. With shape on the 4. And just take a look at this cue ball. Did you see? There was a skid. That was a skid. Did you see the ball? Yeah.
Huh? Jumped and skidded.
Yeah. I think he's still got shape though.
No, he can't see it, Daniel. Can he?
He's going in for the kill.
Oh, he can.
Yeah, there you go. Bye bye 5 ball.
I didn't think he could get past it. Oh, wow.
Oh, wait a minute.
Doon nga makita natin medyo makapal no yung tira ni Reyes na yon dahil nga tumama doon sa kanto ng side pocket at hindi niya nakuha yung position niya sa 8 dahil dyan nakakuha ng magandang chance at opportunity itong si Running Jen para ma-run out niya itong rack number 3. Mukhang mahirapan dito si Efren Reyes dahil nga race to 5 lang ito at nasa 3 points na kaagad no itong kalaban niya dahil nga easy pocket na lang ito mga kabilyard. Makikita ninyo kung gaano rin kagaling talaga itong si Running Jen, no? Ito nga, tutok na itong 9 para dito sa rack number 3. Mukhang pupuntos na naman si Running Jen dito at medyo mahihirapan talaga si Reyes na makabawi mga kabilyard. At yun nga, pumasok yung tira na yon. 3-0 ang score natin dyan, no? At dito tingnan natin kung makabawi si Reyes. Mapapansin natin, race to 5 lang ito mga kabilyard. At winner's break format, no? Makikita natin dito mukhang mahirapan itong si Reyes. Panoorin natin mga kabilyard.
Sometimes he doesn't want to go to sleep.
Efren, what's he hitting with? Is that a Judd?
Well, I know for the longest that was his sponsor, but I'm not sure what he's playing with now, Daniel. I haven't actually.
I think it's his Judd. I think it's his Judd.
not sure. I don't think Judd does those rings like that.
Are you sure? Okay, yeah, you might. Or it could be an
Not the rings
aerial.
of the jump.
Aerial? No, it's not aerial.
I heard he's playing with his own line of cues now. I think.
Efren cues?
Yeah, there's a custom cue maker in the Philippines, and I think.
Magic. The magic cue.
Yeah, I'm not sure. So we'd have to find out after this match. I'll ask him, and that way we can get back on the live stream and let him know what kind of cue he is playing with, so that none of the sponsors get upset with us in case, you know what I mean? In case he is playing with a new
That's
sponsor
true.
cue.
That's true. Pishpul saying that it's a mez, but I don't know if it's a
I
mez.
don't think he plays with a Japanese cue.
Yeah. Zimmer says they are Muchi rings.
Yeah, it kind of looks similar to it, but I doubt he'd use. Well, might be as old. I know he had a Muchi way back in the 80s and stuff. Well, you know, sometimes we all have our bad days.
Someone's saying it is an Efren cue, but I tell you, that close-up of that cue, the cue looked a little older than
I'll ask him after this match, and I'll let you know that.
yeah. We might find out. Maybe Rolando will walk by. We can ask Rolando.
Where is Lando?
He might be around somewhere.
I'll ask him right now, Daniel.
Mescu.
His old man?
Old Mescu.
Okay, so yeah, Rolando tells us it's his old Mez cue.
Yeah.
Yeah. How are you doing, Rolando? Why did Efren? He was just sitting there.
Just you want just say stay calm and relax.
Rolando Vicente checking in with us, tells us that that Efren's using a Mez cue today.
Oh, he's hanging in there with him. He's going blow for blow.
Yeah, he really is.
At dyan nga mukhang nag-play safe muna itong kalaban ni Reyes. Ganun pa man, nakakuha siya ng magandang chance ngayon na makabalik sa table. Nakaharang itong ball number 9. Tingnan natin kung mapatamaan ni Reyes itong ball number 2 na ito. Talagang mahusay sa ganitong laban itong si Bo Running Chen ng US. 3-0 ito mga kabilyard. At ito nasa table si Reyes, mukhang magmamasay siya dito para patamaan niya yung ball number 2. At yun nga, nagmasay siya, mukhang papasok pa doon sa corner pocket. At yun nga ang nangyari doon mga kabilyard, napakahusay nung ginawa niya.
Only Efren can come with shots like that.
And that's why they call him the magician, ladies and gentlemen.
I'll ask him later if he did that on purpose, but I doubt he'll answer.
Oh, you know him. He'll say, I got lucky.
Wow. He needed to steal this rack. What?
At dahil nga doon sa napakagandang two-rail kick shot na ginawa ni Reyes, nakakuha siya ng magandang posisyon sa 4. Unfortunately, ito manipis na naman. Ganun pa man, medyo alanganin pa rin yung posisyon ng 4, mga kabilyard. Back to table itong si Bo Running Chen. Tingnan natin kung makapag-counter siya dito. Mukhang minalas doon si Reyes. Manipis yung tira niya sa 4. Kaya hindi pumasok yung 4 sa corner pocket. Pero ganun pa man, naka-play safe pa rin dito si Reyes dahil napakahirap ng posisyon itong 4 dikit sa guard sa rails, so tingnan natin ang diskarte dito ni Bo Running Chen.
Like 4 in the morning?
4 in the morning, yes. He'll have that card game, Gongi.
Okay, very nice shot. We're going to see some great safeties from Bo, as you can already see.
As long as he stays in his game, then he's got a shot, Daniel. Especially the way Efren's playing right now. I mean,
and that's
look.
a great return. Unfortunately, he ended up hitting the
Nipple.
the titty of the side
yeah.
pocket. Yeah.
At dyan nga sa counter safety ni Reyes, may possibility na mapina niya itong 4, no? Itong si Bo Running Gen, medyo mahina yung pagkaka-play safe doon ni Reyes. Pero kumukuha ng tira at posisyon para sa 5 naman dahil nga madali na ipasok itong 4. So tingnan natin kung magawa niya yung plano na yan at maka-score siya dito sa rack number 4. No? 3-0 yung score natin mga kabilyard. Lamang dito si Bo Running Gen, raise to 5 lang yan at naghahabol ng maraming table, no? Itong si Reyes. At dito nga aiming si Bo dito sa 4. Pasok yung 4 at yun, medyo maganda pa rin yung posisyon ng 5 na yan. Kaya tingnan natin kung makarun out siya dito sa rack number 4.
Right.
Yeah, of course. I mean, he's not no young buck anymore. How old is he now, Lando? To be sure.
It's about to be reached 60 in August.
See, so he's turned 60 in August. I wish I could still play when I turn 60 and see the balls.
Let's see here.
He's kind of funny here on the angle.
Yeah, the 5 ball's on the 50-yard line, kind of. Just love his cueing action. Swing and a miss, and where's the 5 ball going?
Dyan nga, medyo kinabahan na itong si Bo Running Gen dyan sa 5 na yan. Nagmintis siya, kaya chance ni Reyes ngayon, pwedeng sa side pocket or doon sa corner pocket, ipasok itong 5. Pero tingnan natin, mukhang sa side pocket nga ipapasok para kontrapelo yung kanyang tira na yan mga kabilyar. No? Kung hindi pumasok yun, play safe pa rin. Pero kung pumasok ito, nakaposisyon ka agad ang 6. Napakahusay nitong ginawa ni Reyes na ito mga kabilyar.
He's got to capitalize. You can't, you know, you can't give let Efren breathe.
Yeah, definitely a little upset.
If he sees any weakness in your game, he'll start to play strong. You know what I mean, Daniel?
Yeah.
Dyan nga pumasok yung 9 mga kabilyard, no? 3-1 na score natin dyan. Lamang pa rin si Bo Running Gen ng 2 puntos. Pero magja-jump muna tayo mga kabilyard dahil nga sa susunod na 2 rack, mananalo si Efren Reyes dyan. Isang break sa 9 ball at saka isang combination sa 9 ball. Kaya i-skip na natin yun mga kabilyard. Punta na tayo dito sa score na all 3, no? Kaya si Reyes pa rin ang magbe-break. At makita natin na sa all 3 na ang labanan. Nakahabol ka agad si Reyes, no, dito sa rack number 6. At dito sa kanyang break, may pumasok na naman. 2 bola pa yan. Medyo 3 pa nga. Hindi pumasok yung 6. May available shot si Reyes pero medyo manipis, no, yung pagkakakita niya doon sa ball number 1. So tingnan natin kung mag-play safe muna or mag-push dito si Reyes sa rack number 7. All 3 ang score natin mga kabilyard. Maganda yung pinapakitang paghabol ni Reyes dito, no. So tingnan natin sa rack number 7.
In 3rd place in the 9 ball, right? 3rd place?
Yes.
Or
I think
5th place? I don't remember.
Yeah, 3rd place.
Will you be going out there, Daniel, for the Derby City?
Unfortunately not. You know, I was trying to make some arrangements to go out there and not to do any streaming, but just to do some camera stuff. But unfortunately, no, I won't be able to fit it in my schedule.
This game now.
Do you see how he locked him up behind the 6?
Yeah, suddenly the story changed. You know.
Yeah. Safety now.
That's usually happen when you
that
miss a
one
shot
game error,
and give that's 2 games.
Cost you 2 games minimum.
Cost you 2 games.
Minimum.
And now it's gonna be different story.
We missed that great shot, Daniel. I think he swerved around the 8 ball and slid underneath the 6 ball. Oh, this is a hard shot, Daniel. He's trying to massage it off the cushion.
Yeah, or jump it. Yeah, he's messing it.
Wow.
Oh, yes.
Nice
What
shot.
a shot.
What a shot.
What a shot. You know what?
Even if he left him, it's still a
Yeah,
shot.
at least you get the hit.
Wow.
You know? And
That's
you know
better than
what?
ball in hand.
This
It's
is no
missable.
gimme for
Yeah,
Efren.
yeah.
You know, there's no gimme for any pool player.
Yeah.
Gonna have to play a safety again, I think is the smart thing. Yeah.
Yes, yes.
He might go for it, Daniel.
You think he'll go for the 9 here? I don't think so.
I
Right,
think
safety
so.
in the carom.
Then he gonna
Safety carom.
the same time gonna save the
wow.
one ball.
What the hell? He cut it on the other side.
He surprised all of us.
He back cut it. He back cuts it in the other pocket. Come on. What the hell? He takes the hard pocket. Oh, wow.
Oh no.
After that great shot, he missed another relatively easy shot.
Boa's going to masse around the side.
Dito nga mukhang magmamashe, no? Itong si yun, hindi tumama doon sa dos, na foul siya dyan. Ball in hand advantage dito kay Reyes. Medyo critical, no? Crucial pati itong rack number 7 na ito dahil nga all 3 ang score. Kung pupunto si Reyes dito, mauna siya sa top of the hill, no? At meron siyang advantage dahil nga winner's break format yan, pwede siyang mag-break and run out. So tingnan natin kung ma-run out ni Reyes itong rack number 7. Sundan natin mga kabilyard.
Now it's the momentum change, you know.
He's short. He came under the. He's short. He's short. Daniel.
Yeah, he's not happy. He's not happy.
That's not an easy shot either, Daniel. This one right here now. He's way short. You got to back cut it again. He might duck here.
Yeah, I mean he might, but I mean the six ball is like very close to the pocket. So
10 years ago-
really, all he's got to do is make this. But there's a
10
lot of
years ago-
problems.
10 years ago, ball in hand, would you bet that he don't get out?
No, you're right about that.
You know what I mean? He's back cutting, Daniel. I told you he's back cutting. I told you he was.
Very nice shot. Very nice shot. Looks like he's getting some wind in the sails, huh? That was nice too. Perfect
That was
position.
another big game that Bo.
At dito na nga makikita natin mga kabilyard, no, nasa last 2 ball na lang itong si Reyes, at mapapansin natin mukhang maganda yung pagkakaposisyon pa rin nitong ball number 9 dahil nga nag-English shot lang dito si Efren Reyes para dito sa 9. At dito mukhang abante ng 1 punto si Reyes at mauna sa top of the hill. Pasok yung 9 mga kabilyard, 4-3 na score natin dyan. Lamang na si Reyes.
Came off the plane the first time.
And also Ray Reyes, who
At dito nga sa final rack, nag-break si Reyes, may pumasok na bola mga kabilyard, no? May available shot pa siya sa uno pero hindi siya magandang posisyon dahil nga naka-vertical, no, dito sa corner pocket. At medyo mahirap yung posisyon na yan mga kabilyard at overstretch pa si Reyes dito. Kaya mukhang magpe-play safe muna dito si Reyes at makita natin yung posisyon ng uno, medyo masaklap yan. 4-3 ang score, lamang si Reyes. At makikita natin dito, mukhang play safe nga ang ginawa ni Reyes. Itinago niya sa likuran ng 8 itong ball number 1. So tingnan natin kung makapag-counter dito si Bo Runningen.
Bo Runningen beat you 8-3, and you said to me that he had an answer for everything that you threw at him, but with Efren, he's clearly making mistakes.
Yeah, I think that 8 ball that he rattled in the corner, if he didn't rattle that, the match might have been
changed-
over.
yeah, that changed
because
everything.
He would have still had the momentum.
That
and he
changed
wouldn't be
everything.
worried.
Yeah.
You know, the focus, it would still be there.
Oh yeah,
You know what I mean?
yeah.
But because of that, and the masse he tried earlier, that was the easy masse.
Yeah.
Those two were the big game changers. You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
Because if he gets the 8 the first time, then the momentum's still his, and Efren's the one who's chasing with the pressure. You know,
Yes,
the
absolutely.
pressure changes a big thing.
Guys are going to take tough shot here, huh?
Top shot. That's
Small target.
yeah.
Oh, the one ball. I'm sorry. Okay. Yeah.
One way kick.
At dyan nga, maganda pa rin yung pagkaka-counter nitong si Bo Running Gym, no? Dito sa ball number 1. At makita natin na sa pagitan ng 4 at saka ng 9 at diretso yan. Medyo mahirap pa rin yung position ng cue ball. So mahirapan talaga si Reyes dito sa 1. Tingnan natin kung magawa niya ng paraan yan, mga kabilyard.
Were you there in Hong Kong when when he played
Earl.
Earl? Yeah, were you there?
I was there.
Okay.
Yes. Yeah. When they played the 100,000 winner take all, right? Yeah, I was there.
Was that the last time you saw him miss cue?
Yeah. Good shape.
That was a very good save.
Great shape. Is that sponsor too?
No.
Later. Later.
Thanks, I'm good. Thank you. Oreos, the most favorite cookies in America. I gotta cut down on my sugar.
Bo decides to kick one rail. It's there. And where is it going? Cue ball.
Forget that sugar. Put that in the coffee.
I think Efren can still make this one ball.
Yeah.
Look where the 2 is.
Yeah. You can make that one ball.
He can make the 1, but look where the 2 ball is.
The 2 ball, yeah, that's the problem now is the 2 ball. Yeah. He want to set up the good position for 2 ball.
Or he might play the carom. He might try to play the carom and play safe on the 1.
No, I don't think so.
Yeah, he can play the carom. Pwede niyang karambolahin tapos ilagay yung 1 doon sa itaas. Ayan na. Tingnan mo. Oh.
This is an opening for Bo.
But you see all that knowledge, those shots. That wasn't no easy path he took.
I mean, he got perfect shape for the 2. I mean, the best possible shape you
I think
can
he
ask for.
overcut it. I think
No,
undercut.
he undercut that shot.
Yeah, Daniel, Bo now has to bear down on his bearings here and get out. I said Bo needs to bear down now and get out here.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, he needs to
This
bear
is a
down
big,
and make.
big game.
This is a huge...
At dyan nga tuluyan nang na-open yung table dito kay Bo Running Gym, no? At medyo kinapos ng konti doon si Reyes. Chance ngayon ni Running Gym na makatabla at dahil dyan open table itong ball number itong rack number 8, no? Tingnan natin kung magawa ng paraan nito ni Running Gym. At ito nga napakahusay nung backspin niya para position dito sa 2.
Another test.
I don't think the 4 passes the 9, does it?
You can see it from there. From here. Look.
No, I don't.
No,
It does.
it does.
Barely.
So he's gonna roll it down. He's contemplating the roll.
Maybe. I don't know.
Yeah, you can draw that ball.
Oh.
He's rolled it too far.
He might play the 9.
He might play the 9.
No, but if it goes, he'll play the 4 ball. Yeah, he's playing the 4. Oh, pasok daw. Yeah, he's just playing the 4.
He could play a very easy save.
You can make ball easy.
O might win this game, but he still needs 3 to close this match out.
Yes,
Whoa. He's still kind of alright. He's funny.
Still all right.
Nice shot. Nice shot. That was a nice shot.
At dito nga, magandang momentum yung pinapakita ni Bo Running Chen dito, mga kabilyard. 4-3 score natin at may chance na magkaroon tayo ng heel-to-heel match dahil nga dito nakaposisyon na at maganda yung run niya dito sa ball na sa rack number 8, no? At tingnan natin kung makakuha ng magandang posisyon doon sa 8 at yun nga nag-backspin si Bo doon at medyo alanganin pero manageable na yung position ng cue ball na yan para makakuha ng preparation dito sa 9 at dito nga talagang very meticulous yung tira ni Bo Running Chen dito dahil nga kailangan niyang kumuha ng tablang score at ito nga mukhang magkakaroon tayo ng heel to heel match aiming sa 9 itong si Bo Running Chen, pasok yan all 4 tayo mga kabilyard, no? Heel to heel match at fortunately si Running Chen ang magbe-break kaya advantage ito sa kanya kung makapag-break and run siya dito pwede siyang manalo ng $25,000 kaya panoorin natin hanggang dulo mga kabilyard.
May implant ka ba? Oh yeah? Oh yeah? Hindi ko alam yun ah. Para huwag kang magkaroon ng virus. Wow.
Look
Nice
at the
break.
break with a perfect shot on the one.
Well, he has one problem ball.
At dyan nga sa break na yan ni Bo Running Chen, maganda yung pinakita niyang break. Meron siyang available shot doon sa uno. Mukhang may kakalagyan nga talaga dito si Reyes, no, sa rack number 5 na ito, sa final rack. Race to 5 lang ito mga kabilyard. All 4 ang score natin. So panoorin natin kung matapos ni Running Chen itong final rack. Sundan natin mga kabilyard.
Safety or bank, but for position on the 4.
If it goes,
He could easily play the 3 to the side somewhere. Roll down for the short
he's
side of
gonna
the
hit
4.
he's good. He's good. He might break it out here.
He might.
But if you go for the breakout,
you're
you're
right.
risking a lot though.
If you go for the break,
You might get tied
it's
up.
a risk, yeah.
Yeah, it's too much of a risk.
In 4, you don't have touch any ball
He may hit the 5.
unless it's needed, you know.
He did. You're right. He didn't break it out.
You won't break out because
It goes. I guess it goes.
I guess maybe it's easier than we thought.
Yeah, from these angles, it doesn't look like it goes, but I guess it does. As long as he comes past the side.
He might just have a little bit problem, but I think he get out.
Yeah, if he comes past the side, then he's got to come past down the side. Just a little bit. There you go, right there.
Oh my gosh. No, it didn't. Are you kidding me?
No, actually.
Oh,
My bad.
Yeah, it helped Efren. I mean, when you say that might have helped him, that's pretty relative.
I was talking on Efren's behalf.
Yeah. Oh, you're funny, Ray.
Well, my sentence wasn't done yet, Daniel. You know, I was halfway in the sentence. That was unlucky roll right there. I mean, he could have hit it and he could have won it.
The momentum again.
As I said earlier, no, it's only you don't have to touch the balls because only you need that necessary shot.
At dito nga mukhang sumablay na naman itong si Bo Running Chen sa kanyang ball position dito sa 4. Ito mukhang jump ball siya dito. Alanganin kasi yung position ng 7 mga kabilyard, no? At yun nga, natamaan niya yung 4. Unfortunately, mukhang na-open naman dito kay Efren Reyes. Malakas yung pagkakatira na yun ni Bo Running Chen at yun, open na kaagad kay Reyes itong final rack. Sundan natin mga kabilyard.
It's gonna be a little bit hard, but you can make it.
See, he didn't try to draw it back because he was straight in. He just settled for the little bit longer shot.
Yes.
At least he's shooting, you
It's
know.
not easy, but it's not hard.
Not too hard. I mean,
But this ball is in the top position, not easy position.
At doon nga, nung makuha ni Reyes yung 5 na yun, nakaganda ng position yan para dito sa 7, mga kabilyard, no? Last 3 balls si Reyes para dito sa final rack. Mukhang papaldo na naman si Reyes dito ng $25,000 US, no? At halaga ng 1.2 million yan, mga kabilyard, dahil nga 25,000 at maganda, 1 million and 50,000 pesos. At ito, pasok na pasok, no, yung tirada dito ni Efren Reyes. Panalo si Reyes dito, mga kabilyard. At thank you for watching. See you on my next video.
What a match. And unfortunately for Bo, run